Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напился, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напился, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напился, сегодня будет туса. What you're doing? No, no, no. You already got one. No, you don't need to. You don't need to take a bite into everyone. What are you talking about? Are you talking to Dickens? Yeah? Oh, really?抽屉打开，玩具放上去。玩完玩具收好了啊。Miska, what are you doing? Achou, meu amor? Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah. Good job. Are you walking your catwalk? Are you walking your catwalk? Stinky. You don't want spinach? It's good. Little baby bear. Baby bear. Little baby bear. What do you call it?
great. I think she'll really love that.
I even made a reservation at PARROT Billy's.
Bring me to go box.
You know, I'm pretty excited.
Seagull. He keeps trying to eat it when he can't have any because I already gave him his own piece. But see, no, get off.
Twinkie, Twinkie, do you want this bacon? Oh, ooh, is it good? How's your bacon? It's so yummy.
Oh my god. Really?
Good boy. Come here. Come here.
Mango, do you live in the jungle? Good boy!
Hey, Biff, I have a surprise for you. You don't want it?
Sheldon, Penny, green cheek conure, green cheek conure. Color mutation is a turquoise yellow-sided.
Gut. Lecker? Gut.
Volkswagen. So you can get a great deal on a full-size 2018 Atlas SUV, or at least the 2018 Tiguan named Best Compact Volkswagen. So you can get a great deal on a full-size 2018.
This is Reginald. He's a purebred Doberman Haversham. He costs $2,000 and we're on a waiting list for 2 years to get him. These are my babies, Chonko and found them in a dumpster, and I love them more than life itself. Hello. What are you doing?
来，豆豆打篮球。
Did you see somebody? Is somebody here?
窝窝，窝窝，窝窝，去回瘸个，窝窝，爱我，爱我。
Ты мой сладкий, ты мой маленький, круассанчик мой, булочка моя, запеканочка моя, сырничек, ты мой любименький, сладенький мой. Did mommy get you the smallest puppuccino in the world? Oh, yes.
Water's not so scary, huh? Just go whoop. Good job.
来，又掉了一坨，哇，这么大坨，一下就吞掉了。
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, come on now, come on.
看一下我们这个松鸦，今天知道要食物了，嘴巴张这么大，早上起来它就一直向我。
You don't want spinach? It's good. So yummy.
Relax, relax, breathe. You guys are Americans. I wasn't expecting that. What do you think of me?
Wow.
I don't know if you like that. Kind of chill, isn't it? Actually, they did like it. Okay.
You better look it up and make sure this is safe, because they're loving it.